Hello, my name is Abhijit Dilip Karmalkar and today's date is 13 December 2021 and today's video topic is recursion. So what is a recursion? A recursion is the technique of making a function call itself. The technique provides a way to break a complicated problems down into simple problems which are easier to so- solve. Recursion may be a bit difficult to understand, and the best way way to figure out is with example. So there are we'll see recursion example. So firstly, we will see adding two numbers together is easy to do, but adding a range of numbers is more complicated in the following in the example. Recursion is used to add a range of number together by breaking it down into a simple task, adding two numbers. When the sum, that is method, function is called, it adds a parameter like variable like character k or to the sum of a number smaller than that variable k, and the return the result when k variable becomes 0. The function just returns 0 when running the program. Since the function does not call itself when k is 0, the program return the result. So these are the string, and we will see sorry, these are the recursion, and we will see recursion. What are base condition in a recursion? The recursive program, the solution to base case is provide, and the solution of the bigger problem is expressed in terms of smaller problems. So how to particular problem is solved using recursion? So the idea is to represent a problem in the terms of one or more smaller problem and add one or more base condition that stop the recursion. For example, we compute a factorial n if we know factorial of n 1. The base case for factorial would be n is equal to 0, and we return 1 when n is equal to 0. While stack overfull error occurs in a recursion, the base case is not reached or not defined, then the stack overflow flow problem may be rise. Let's so these are the recursion in a Java. Thank you.